Red-headed krait is a highly venomous snake which inhabits forested hills, lower areas below 400 meters of elevation. It is mostly found in the southern part of Thailand. The red-headed krait grows up to 6.9 feet. The beauty of this snake is personified in the form of its bright orange-red head with pale body and short reddish tail. Number 4. Formosan odd-scaled snake. Another snake species that shimmers with rainbow iridescence is the Formosan odd-scaled snake. This is one of several species of odd-scaled snake, all of which have this same iridescent effect in their scales. The Formosan odd-scaled snake is found in Taiwan and the southern islands of Japan. It is harmless to humans and spends its time hunting worms, frogs, and other small prey. The species is nocturnal, but put it under light and its whole body dances with color. Number 3. Honduran milk snake. The Honduran milk snake is an egg-laying species of non-venomous colubrid snake. Its base color is red with distinct rings or bands of black and yellow. In some cases, the yellow is actually a deep orange color, and the animal in question is referred to as a tangerine phase. The Honduran milk snake has a resemblance to the coral snake, and this similarity in color, known as Batesian mimicry, helps protect the snake from potential predators. Number 2. Brazilian rainbow boa. The trait that stands out the most in this boa species is the iridescent shimmer of its scales. Glistening over the brown and black patterns is a sheen of rainbow colors, which show up under light. According to the National Zoo, the iridescent sheen imparted by microscopic ridges on their scales act like prisms to refract light into rainbows. Found throughout Central and South America, there are 9 subspecies of rainbow boa, including the Brazilian rainbow boa shown now. Considering their unusual beauty, it's no wonder that these large snakes, which can sometimes reach up to 7 feet in length, are popular in the pet trade. In the 1980s, hundreds of Brazilian rainbow boas were removed from the wild and exported for sale. Many of the individuals did not survive the process, spurring conservation-friendly captive breeding programs available today. Number 1. San Francisco garter snake. Some people consider the San Francisco garter snake to be the most beautiful species in the world. That is, of course, subjective, but it's a stunningly beautiful snake. Known for the bright turquoise stripes that run alongside deep coral and black, the snake is a sight to behold. Unfortunately, it's also